In this video, I'll show you how to use image to video in MiniMax. First, open your web browser, go to the MiniMax website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the image to video tool from the dashboard. Next, click the Upload Image button and select the image you want to animate from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on to the next step. Now, enter a prompt describing how you want the image to move. You can describe camera movements, character actions, facial expressions, lighting, or any other motion you want to add. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated video will match your idea. After that, adjust the available settings, such as the video length, aspect ratio, or quality, depending on the options available in your account. Then click the Generate button and wait while MiniMax creates your video. Finally, preview the generated video. If you'd like to make changes, update your prompt or settings and generate another version. Once you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use image to video in MiniMax. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.